Hello, everyone. Nice to meet you. Today, ahead of the 2026 North American World Cup, I'll show you how to use APIs in MIDAS to quickly create soccer ball structures. First, I'll launch GenNX and create a new project. Then, I'll open the web page. This API tool is web-based and communicates quickly with the program once the MAPI key is set up. Copy the URL and MAPI key already connected in GenNX to the web page. Today's goal is to create a soccer ball-shaped structure. Just enter the basic dimensions and proceed to the next step. Here, we'll set the boundary conditions. As structural engineers are well aware, a wide range of boundary conditions can be configured here. For now, we'll select the default values and move on to the next step. Next is the load settings section, where you can configure various loads such as dead loads, live loads, wind loads, and snow loads. This could be considered the highlight of the web API. We created the soccer ball based on the nodes and joints we set up earlier, and you can now view its current state directly in the web browser. Features such as zooming and rotating are available. Based on the information configured on the web, it transmits that data to the GenNX program via API and quickly generates a model. If you look at the GenNX screen on the side, you can see it being generated automatically. Let's run the analysis right away. The analysis runs quickly. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Based on the analysis results, it displays the values we need, such as reaction forces and member forces, and lists them in a table as well. So far, this is the web-based tool utilizing the API. What do you think? Don't you think you can achieve more automation and creative work with GenNX? You can apply for a trial version by visiting the MIDAS IT website. That's all I'll share for today. One last thing. Who do you think will win the 2026 North American World Cup? Leave a comment with your team's name.